Right guys, welcome back to the channel again today. Today we've got a good one. We've got a GSI in, as you can see there. Nice little clean one there. This is Davina's. There's Davina there, give a little wave to camera. We've got Alfie there as well. Okay. Right guys, so today on this one we're going to be doing brakes all round, disc all round. We have had a look at it and sorted out a little boost leak. We had a little boost leak from the map sensor here, which was leaking. Everything else seems okay, but we have got a reset valve on this that is making a turkey sound on it. But it's quite a good spec on this one. I think it's running just over 300 brake, I think. But just do a little walk around of it. It's a nice little clean car, even inside. As you can see, very well looked after. So today we're going to just put it on time lapse, get all the wheels off, get all the brakes off, get the discs off, check them all over and go from there. Now, got all the discs off, as you can see, discs are there, pads up here. Right, with this is when you're fitting pads, obviously there's the front face pad, what goes on the inside, outside, and on the inside, as you can see, it is very well needed of pads and discs, but you see that? That's been incorrectly fitted, that pad, and that's how it come out. And what it should look like that guys, as you can see. So yeah, no, but yeah, that's for this side. So this side's getting all done. We've just got to put the caliper back, but what I thought I'll show you guys is G-clamp. A lot of people do the big mole grips. I have done it before, but with these, with a G-clamp, as you can see, just goes on the back of the bolt there and goes inside, and what it does is it gets the piston back dead even straight instead of cock-sided or damaging the seals. So basically it's a good way of getting them in and getting them back basically. So that's another couple of things. So we're going to get the new discs which are over the back there, right there. So we're going to go and get those fitted up and get them all bolted up. the bits stripped down. We've wound the calipers back. With these, you need a tool to wind them back. They're not like the fronts with the G clamps. You have to use a wind back caliper tool to do the rears. When we got this come in, I'll try and see if I can locate it on the video, but this was missing on the bottom one and it only had one in the top. So he's got a new fresh pair in there at the moment. This caliper, I mean, obviously it's a standard thing with these. A lot of you may know, but a lot of these seize up, but managed to get it back. It's okay, it's reset. But this side, that was all okay. But obviously on this one, it had a seized piston on the slider. So we've unfreed that and lubricated that up now, so that all moves. So next protocol now is to get all the new discs on, which are over there, sorry, and get them all bolted up, get the wheels back on, and then we're going to finish off with the service. Now, all the brakes and that are all done. As you can see, there's all the brakes, it's up in the air. So right now, we're gonna fit oil filter, plugs, and oil we've got there. Drop the filter out, undo the sump plug, drain all the oil out of it, and give it a nice little tidy up. In the comments, guys, just let us know what you think about the old GSIs. They're one of my favourite, I do like them. So, yeah, just drop us in the comments, guys, see what you reckon, what your favourite Vauxhall Astra is, or Zafira VXR, or the GSI and that. Alright guys, right, let's crack on and get the service done. That's it for today with the GSI. Everything all done, looking smooth. Like I said before, guys, in the comments, let us know what you think of these GSIs. Absolutely stunning example for a car. I really do like these. But yeah, like I said, guys, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. And goodbye to Rich and Davinia, and to Alfie, my boy. And yeah, guys, catch you on the next one. See you all soon. See ya.